What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Police Save Puppies from Drunk, Abusive Karen. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Get the out of my house.
Alrighty. Don't ever hit me again. You understand?
Come on.
Yeah, it's all on body camera. Don't worry.
Okay,
well, there's no need to yell. We're here to help. Are you going to live in your driveway?
No.
You can't even stand up.
I'm done. I can.
Believe that you're done.
Been drinking today, Miss Kavanaugh?
Yes, I did today.
Yeah.
Want to. I haven't done for umpteen. I want. Try. Done. 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you.
You good? No, I'm hoping. I probably have a seat in the cot, hon. We'll get you checked out. You can't even stand up without us holding you. Right. We can't leave you here by yourself.
You're fine.
I'm fine, yes, but you're not.
I'm fine.
If my partner lets you go, you're going to fall down.
I'm fine. He can let my ass go.
Well, Mrs. Kav, hold on. What do you guys want to do?
Go!
Well,
I said go!
we need somebody to be here with you.
I have a phone. Whoa, Lily, no! Mike, are you okay?
Who are you?
I'm the police.
You're in my house!
I brought your dog
Oh my God! You're in my house!
here. Yes. No.
Hey,
Excuse
whoa.
me,
I
stop
asked
it.
you to be in my
I
house.
brought your dogs in here.
Get the out of my house.
We're bringing
Alrighty.
your dogs in.
Don't ever
okay?
hit me again. You understand?
No, you don't.
You're going to go to jail if you do that.
No, I did not ask him. You're
Here,
not.
we'll let your dogs go. You good with that? Come on.
You're not.
There you go.
Yeah.
your phone.
Are you mine?
Alright.
Jen, you want a leash?
No, it's not my problem.
She mine? No. She's not anybody of mine. Why'd she buy my house?
Come on, Bear.
What? Wait. Why you
Alright.
say he's fair?
Now you're under arrest. Jen. She's 95. Yeah, she just punched me in the face.
Sure again.
She punched him in the face? Let me see. Let's see this again.
No. She's not anybody of mine. Why'd she buy my house?
Come on, Bear.
What? Wait. Why you say he's fair?
Oh shit.
Now you're under arrest.
Oh, okay.
Jen.
Yeah.
She's 95.
Go sit in a holding cell and sober up.
Sure again.
You did mean to. You were warned.
Well,
Oh, don't cry now.
there's probably a good chance of that.
John 20, we have a female in custody.
We're sitting here trying to help you, and you kick one officer, and you punch me in the face. All right. Let's go. Let's walk. Yeah, we can
Walk. Let's walk.
Come on. Yeah, it's all on body camera. Don't worry.
Come on. Hi, sweetie. Nope, look at a looking adult. Come here, baby. Come on.
It's okay. No. Come on, baby. It's okay. It's all right. Okay. It's all right, buddy. Come on. All right.
Sit down.
All right.
We're just gonna take her to the hospital.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're going to the hospital first.
No, I'm not.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, she needs to sober up.
I'm not gonna let her get away with it.
Are the dogs
Just so
okay?
somebody can't hold alcohol.
I am not going to a hospital. I am not going to a hospital.
Coming with us, right? Take your poison. You sound like an adult.
Perfect. Yeah, we're gonna follow you up there.
I don't want you.
All right, Mary, let's try this one more time.
Don't they normally cuff him to the gurney?
All right, don't do that. I'll take it. Well, you're under arrest for punching 2 police officers.
No,
We came and tried to help you get your dogs
because they were trying to do.
well, you were laying in the middle of your driveway, and your neighbors were holding on to your dogs. So your neighbors called.
You want to say whatever you want to say.
Oh, she's not going
That's
to the
fine.
hospital
Your
now.
neighbors tried to help you too, but you're passed out on your driveway.
You want to do what I was not. Thank you for whatever you're doing.
All right.
Let me go.
Not gonna happen.
No, thank you. Anything else? No, we're good.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you, but not thank you.
I was thinking they were disposables and I would just do it. But
Sorry.
it's okay. No.
Yeah, we're good. Thanks.
Go away for the dogs.
I'm sorry. Yeah, they okay. Well, you want to cook it up? Thank you. I really don't have anything in my pocket. Thank you. You're really nice. Yeah, I'm such a...
Sorry, baby.
That's all right.
Stand up, stand up.
No, I'm just done. I'm done.
Sorry, how this
You
works.
want to say I'm done? I'm done.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Well, we tried to set you down, and that's the position that you went in. So, do you want to sit down, or do you want to lay like this?
It's not going to be comfortable laying like this. So can you sit up?
Are you gonna sit?
I know how to...
Well, it's a car, and I assume you've been in one before, so you sit there like to sit in the car, ma'am. There you go. With your hand.
Listen, don't do that crying now.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I guess.
She just needs to sober up. That's all. She's just too drunk.
All right, Mrs. Kavanaugh, come on.
Just... Hey. Ow!
Come on.
Hey.
Come on.
You know what?
Let's go.
Hey, just take it easy.
Well, let's go.
No. Do you understand? You don't understand.
Here, that's okay.
There we go.
You want to sit and stop, gentlemen?
You want to do it in there, just a searcher.
Just the cushion.
Yep, nice little holding cell. Sit in there and sober up. We'll let you go in a couple of hours.
Yeah, we're gonna unhook them. All right, handcuffs are coming off, okay? We're gonna take your jacket off as soon as we get the handcuffs off.
You want a flashlight?
Chicago setting was stolen vehicle next. Chicago 46 setting was stolen vehicle.
Yeah. Do you have anything on underneath this red shirt?
No. You want to do it underwear?
No.
All right, turn around and have a seat.
Are you serious?
Go ahead and have a seat.
Reality is setting in.
You can keep your shirt down. You keep your pants on, keep your shirt down. You're fine. We're just checking to make sure you don't have anything on you.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and assault on an officer. Let us know your thoughts on the
Towards the end, reality was setting in. That was probably a long car ride. She just like, damn, what has my life come to? Some people got to stay away from alcohol, man. She is one of them. If you can't stay in your crib and keep yourself under control, don't drink. You laying in the driveway? What the hell? What type of alcohol is that? Because I do not want any, okay? All right, man. I think the cops did a pretty good job. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 from me. I mean, it was kind of, yeah, she hit him, but on the other end, it's like, yeah, she's an old lady. She's drunk. You know what I mean? But it's better that they did take her so somebody could at least keep an eye on her. I think that played a part of it as well. I think them taking her, whether she was going to go to the hospital or she was going to go to down there to the station or whatever to sober up. Either one was good because just leaving her in the house like that, nah, she's way too intoxicated and you don't know what's going to happen. So anyway, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.